Hi everyone, my name is Karthik Reddy, URK 19CS1057. Today we are going to see about contiguous memory allocation in operating systems lab. The aim is write a C or C++ or Python program to simulate the following contiguous memory allocation techniques. We have to perform these three techniques: best fit, first fit and worst fit. Let's see this is the algorithm. First we have start the program. Step 2, get the number of memory partition and other sizes. Step 3, get the number of process and values of block size for each process. Step 4, first fit algorithm searches all the entry memory block until a hole which is big enough is encountered. It allocates the memory block for the requesting process. Step 5, best fit algorithm searches the memory blocks for all the smallest hole which can be allocated to requesting process and allocates if. Step 6, worst fit algorithm searches the memory blocks for the largest hole and allocates it into the process. Step 7, analysis all the three memory management techniques and display the best algorithm which utilizes the memory resources effectively and efficiently. And the last step is to stop the program. Now let's see the first one, best fit. The best fit deals with allocating the smallest free partition which meets the requirement of the requesting process. The algorithm first searches the entire list of free partitions and considers the smallest hole that is adequate. It then tries to find a hole which is close to actual process size needed. This is the program. Let's run the program. This is the program. Let's run the program. Enter number of process 4, enter number of blocks 5. Let's give the block numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Block sizes 100, 500, 200, 300 and 600. Now we have to enter process sizes. 212, 417, 426. This is the output. We can see here the for process for first process the process size is 212. The adequate block number is 4. Why? Because it can fit in the fourth block size. Like that the remaining three process fitted. Now the second one, first fit. In the first fit, the partition is allocated which is first sufficient from the top of main memory. Its advantage is that it is the fastest search as it searches only the first block. It means enough to assign process. Let's this is the program. Let's run this program. Enter number of process. Again I enter 4. Total enter the number of blocks 5 blocks. Let's give the block numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Block sizes and we have to give the process sizes. Yeah, this is the output for the first fit. The partition is allocated which is first sufficient from the top of main memory. Its advantage is that it is the fastest search as it searches only the first block. Now let's see the last one, worst fit. Worst fit allocates a process to the partition which is largest sufficient among the freely available partitions available in the main memory. If a large process comes at a larger stage, then memory will not have space to accommodate it. Let's run and check the program. Enter number of process, enter number of blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Block sizes 100, 500, 200, 300, 600. The process sizes 212, 417, 112 and 426. As you can see here, process number 1, the process size is 212 and the block number is 5. Because worst fit allocates a process to the partition which is largest sufficient among the freely available partitions available in the main memory. First, it will check all the available options in the main memory. For the first process, the process size is 212. In all the memory, in the main memory, the block number 5 has the largest size. So for the first process one, it is the best fit. So that's why with same process, the remaining 3 also got executed. Finally implemented C program to simulate the following contiguous memory allocation techniques. Thank you.